Hi all, this is Professor Sridhar Vaithianathan. I hope many of you might be in thick of things in doing your internship project, and we are in the fifth week of internship. So many of you might be trying hard to do a literature survey for your respective project. In this video, I will take you through how to access our institute databases remotely, right? First, open a new tab, and this is the link that you need to type in, which is https:// IMT Hyderabad LRC dot remote x as in Xerox s as in simple dot in /user /login. So after entering it, press enter, and it will take you through this home page. Enter your credentials that you have got. So I have already entered my credentials and the passwords. Then login. So it will take you through this home page of our LRC where all our e-resources, right? So electronic resources, which has databases of various kinds are there. So these are all the list of e-databases we have, and e-journals along with the e-books as well, right? And you can go through this. Main thing that I mainly use for my research is EBSCO, Emerald, emerging markets, and my favorite is ProQuest. So I will take you through how to search using one of this database, which is ProQuest, and similar way the menus will be same for all the other database, right? How to access ProQuest and get the literature for my topic. Let me click ProQuest. Once I click ProQuest, it takes to the home page of ProQuest, and this is a basic search. This is advanced search, so I'm selected basic search, which is default. So I want to research on, let us say, mobile payments, right? Cashless transactions. So I'll type the keyword called mobile payments, right? Then enter, click this search icon. So it will give you all the things related to mobile payments where it is published, where the keyword is mobile payments. So if you look at it, so we have 1 million records, right? So around 1 million records. So it's of course time consuming. So let me apply some filter. Sort by relevance. Yes, it has to be relevant to my search term. So I'm not disturbing that. So I'm going to limit it to full text, and I'm going to limit it to peer reviewed. So that means it is a paper which is went through a review process, and it is in a publishable format which can be quoted. So that's what full text and peer reviewed means. So now again, from 1 million it has gone to 16,000. Again it is a whole lot, around 17,000. So what I'm going to do, again I'm going to apply a filter. So here I'm going to put it as a scholarly journals. Only scholarly journals I want. So if you look at it, not much effect has come. So what I will do, I will go to publication date and then say last 5 years, and 6,000 has come. So if you think that that is also more, then you can go for some other criteria in terms of subject, in terms of document type, so on and so forth, right? So the numbers in the bracket represents the number of articles which is in the search, right? So here some studies, internet. So with related to internet there are 563 papers. Related to innovation there is 540 papers, which are all published in last 5 years, right? So if it is again more, then go for last 12 months. So now 460 is right. Okay, right. So now what do I do? So these are all the papers, and it has got abstract, full text, and full text in PDF format, right? So what I do, I read the title first. Factors in ecosystem of mobile payment affecting is used from the consumer perspective in Taiwan. Seems to be interesting. So first thing I do is I just go through the abstract, right? It says mobile payment services are being adopted at slower pace than expected, and it says about customers, and there is a multi-phases nature of the mobile payment system. So it has used customers acceptance, and actual adoption, what factors in which influence customers acceptance and actual adoption. And then also says about this study verified the important connection between cognition, that is intention to use, and actual usage. So seems to be interesting for me, right? So what I do, I want to download this paper and read more. So I ask for full text, then I download it and save it. Whenever I save, I take this year into consideration and short form of the paper into consideration. So mobile ecosystem, let us say mobile ecosystem, and published in 2020, and this is the first paper I'm downloading, so I quote it as first paper, right? Save it as PDF, which is whichever is a folder you want. So I'm saving it for my later reference, right? So likewise, you can keep on, I'm clicking back button because I want to go through the other databases as well now. So likewise, I go through the other papers. So whichever papers I feel it is interesting, starting with the title, then the abstract, if both of them matches my study, I try to download the full text, and all the papers will have a full text because I already asked for limit to full text and peer reviewed only. So thereby I can download as many research papers relevant to my topic as possible. There is no depth of literature for any topic that you are doing, and this is only from ProQuest. So if you go to our other databases like EBSCO, similar way you can search, right? There will be a search bar. Again, you can apply the filters, right? It will take some time because of the internet, but anyway, you will get it. So on and so forth. We have business source complete. So click on that. So you have n number of literature review, n number of literature waiting for you with respect to your topic, right? And essence of research, the success of the research is heavily dependent upon how good is the literature review. So hope you find this video interesting and useful, and for applying it in your internship project and to do your literature review fruitfully. In the next video, I will take you through how to do a literature review step by step, and how to present the literature review, and how to make a reference in your report, right? That's a reference format. So till then, happy researching. See you in the next video.